Moving to the next category, we have Northeast region winners. Second runner-up of the region is Chamua Engineering and Machinery Private Limited, which is received by Mr. Amar Jyoti Chamua. Many congratulations, Mr. Amar Jyoti.
Thank you so much. It is really motivating for us, and we will work ahead with this endeavor. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. The second runner-up of the category is, the first runner-up of the category is Innotech Agroposticum Private Limited, which is received by Prigyanshu Sharma. Many congratulations, Mr. Sharma. Our best wishes for your future. And the winner of Northeast region category is Green Biotech Eco Solutions Private Limited, which is received by Mrs. Geetashori Yumnam. Many congratulations, Mrs. Geetashori. Congratulations to all the winners. Let's have a small video on what these startups have to say about the award.
It is very difficult to get workers during the main transplanting season of paddy, and farmers spend around 35% of their cost of cultivation after transplanting, and this is the same scenario across the country.
Our pull-type paddy transplanter has been designed keeping in mind the small land holdings of the paddy farmers of India. It suffices the need of these farmers who don't need a large machine for their small holdings or maybe an hectare of land. We have kept the machine very simple to operate and affordable also. The farmers should be able to reduce their cost of transplanting by 70% and also increase their yield because of timely transplanting and saving optimum plant population.
I, on behalf of the Samunnati Engineering and Machineries team, thank MANAGE and the Samunnati team for recognizing our effort and selecting us as one of the winners of the Agri-Startup Award 2020-21. It is a great motivation factor for us, particularly when the whole world is being threatened for their lives and their livelihoods and the business ecosystem as a whole.
Hello, I am Dr. Prigyanshu Sharma and I am representing Innotech Agroposticum Private Limited. We are based out of IIT Guwahati campus, Assam, and we are working with farmers for production of vitamin D enhanced mushrooms through our patented technology. Our mushrooms are marketed under the brand name Woodberry, and we can provide you with the WHO recommended daily dose of vitamin D. We are currently associated with 4 farmer clusters where we provide technology, infrastructure, and we also assure complete buyback of their produce. We are not only providing an alternative source of livelihood, but we are assuring enhancing income as vitamin D enhanced mushrooms can be sold at a premium. We are grateful for Samunnati for recognizing our efforts, and we look forward to scale up our activities with them. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Asam Sundari Devi. I am the co-director of Green Biotech Eco Solutions Private Limited. We have 2 directors and my colleague name is Geetashori Yumnam. We are the first biofertilizer and biopesticides manufacturing company in the state of Manipur in the northeastern region of India. We have associated with more than 4,500 farmers. During this pandemic also, we are helping our farmers by supplying our inputs to their field level and also procuring the producers from their field and also selling the producers to the relevant people. So likewise, we help each other during this pandemic. And I would like to thank MANAGE for this Samunnati Startup Award. So we are so happy that we achieved this award, because during this pandemic everybody is like it's frustrating. So during this pandemic, this award is like a ray of hope that yes, we can do it, and we will definitely do it. So we will achieve more and more in the coming years. So thank you so much.